Hello, this is not the end crochet, and I have made it home from Michael's. Well, I've been home from Michael's. I had to go to the grocery store. Yippee. But anyway, this is what I ended up getting. Most of it you saw on the walkthrough, but I turned back around and went back and got some other stuff. So let's see. Cloud cakes. They had other colors, but they really didn't appeal to me. I like this one. It's cinnamon swirl, and 8.5 ounces, 240 grams, 760 yards. Let's see. And I think I read somewhere where it was polyester. Yep, right there. Medium 4. And they recommend a 4.5 hook. That's all for medium 4. I usually, it is a little small. But I think it'll work up something really nice. I see this as being a shawl or something. I got 2 of them. Find over. And they swirl exactly alike. What else I got? And I already have a buttercream. Now this one's wrapper is kind of tore up, but I watched my video and this is swirled like the one I already got. Let's see. 7.1 ounces, 383 yards. Buttercream. Just pull this over here, it might make things a little easier. And I love the feel of the latte cakes. Just love it. Let's see. I wasn't going to get any. I had turned and walked away. But then after I uncovered a few of them, I saw this purple. I love purple. That's one of my favorite colors. One of the 3. Let's see. And it's Lovely Layers collection. Latte. What else can I see about it? It's considered a 5 or bulky. 8.8 ounces, 250 grams. And it's a blend, an acrylic and nylon blend. I like the way it feels. Got 2 of them. I always try to get 2 cakes when I get cakes. There's the other one. And I got, by the time we get this one, I got a red heart super saver. I like super savers. And I like this color. It just like struck me. And it's called Carrot. Ain't that cute? And of course it's a 4 weight. That's usually all I deal with. And it recommends a 5.5 millimeter hook. What else I got? And I got one of these to just see how it's going to work up. I've never dealt with fur before. And it's just 37 yards. It's pretty pricey. But they had a sale going on at 30% on all yarns. So that helped a little, but not that much. Let's see here. Oh, and I had a $5 voucher. Yay, $5. It's considered a bulky 6. 8 millimeter hook. What's it made of? It depends on what it's made of, whether I can actually wear it. Let me see. I'm looking. I'm missing it. Polyester. 100% polyester. All in that bag. Gotta reach over here. Got another bag. And I was fascinated by these from the first moment I saw them. 51 yards, 7.05 ounces, 200 grams. considered a super bulky 8mm hook, and it's cozy heathered. Feels real good. And I saw this, I said, hat. And I saw this one, I said, matching scarf. And then at the last minute, I said, you know what? Black would be killer. Like that. Okay. Gray would be killer. So I got a gray one. So we'll see how I like these. If I really like them, then I'll probably go back and get every color they got. But we'll see. Angle this down a little bit. See the whole kit and caboodle. Please remember to like and subscribe if you've been lurking and trying to see what I'm about. Right now, I'm about buying yarn. I have done projects, but I haven't shown them yet. At least not to YouTube. But I'm working on that. If you like what you see, please be sure and give me a like or subscribe. And if you subscribe, please remember to hit the notification bell. I keep wanting to say button. So that you will be notified of my next video. They've been popping off pretty regular here lately. So I got several in my head. So we'll see what happens. You all keep sweet. God bless you. Hugs and peace out until I load the next one. Toodles.